Hi everyone, I'm Juliana, and I'm going to be showing you how to make coffee sand. I think that this activity would be perfect to incorporate into any lesson plan about recycling. Talking about recycling provides the opportunity for kids to learn about how products are made, where they come from, and how they can be used in different ways. My coffee stand will show kids that we can make new things out of items that we probably just throw away anyway. For this recipe, we will need 4 cups of dried ground coffee. I got these ones free from Starbucks, but I bet it wouldn't take long for us teachers to come up with them all on our own. I let these coffee grounds sit outside in the sun for several hours before we're going to use them. Along with the coffee grounds, we will be using 2 cups of cornmeal, 1 cup of flour, and half a cup of salt. As you can see, I've pre-measured our ingredients, and now all we have to do is mix it together in a big bowl. So we'll start with the coffee grounds. We'll add it slowly so it doesn't spill all over my counter. After the coffee, we're going to add the cornmeal. The flour. And the salt. We're going to give it a good mix. This might take a while. You might need to get in there with your hands and give it a good mix to make sure everything is incorporated. As you can see, it kind of has the same texture as the kinetic sand. Teachers and kids will love to dig around and play with this amazing sensory activity. Plus, it smells pretty good too. Thanks for watching and have a great day.